folks, it's your girl mua.alexandria. I'm back with another video, so let's get into it. So first we're going to start off with the eyes, and I'm going in with white eyeshadow primer and I'm blending it in. Now we're going all over the lid with the burgundy from the Morphe palette. And then I'm going to blend the burgundy all the way up to my brow bone. Just give it a nice soft look. Now we're going to go in with the black and the Morphe palette as well. And with this next step, you're going to see why I didn't start with my foundation like I normally do first. The fun part, we're going to wipe all the excess fallout off. Now we're going in with eyelash glue because we're going to be placing diamonds. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. So now that I placed the glue, I'm going in with the diamonds all over the eyelid, as you can see. Now I'm adding color to my brow bone. I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm adding mascara to my top lashes. I'm going to place my lashes on. Going in with the concealer. I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm adding my contour, blending that out as well. Now going in with my foundation. Blending that. Now I'm going in with my setting powder. This time I did let it bake just for a moment. Now I'm wiping the bake off. Now I'm going in with the black liner and my waterline. Adding mascara to my bottom lashes now. Cleaning up my brows, wiping the excess off my lips, going with the gloss and the liner, and you have it.